Hi, I'm Chris from MGOC Spares, and I'd like to talk to you about petrol tanks. Well, on MGs, they're a bit notorious for suffering from rust and corrosion, and that's because on the top of the tank you'll get condensate forming, which will turn into rust and corrosion that drops to the bottom of the tank. And that's accelerated through the winter months when you store the car, you're not using it. It's always the case that it's best to use the car and you won't have these problems. But if you're not using the car, then you can invite a problem. And over the years, it's been the case that petrol tanks haven't had a drain feature. But as per the original factory tanks, we're pleased to have worked with a specialist petrol tank manufacturer, and we've now reintroduced drains. So MGOC Spares spends a lot of time developing products that get as close to the factory original and also work with the customer because we know how you like to use the cars, because we use them too. So in respect of this, for this MGB, we've had a drain and a seal incorporated into the lowest part of the tank. So you can spin that on. When it comes to winter, you can take it off, collect the fuel, disposing that in an environmentally sound manner, and get rid of the problem. Additionally, the tank comes with a seal and a replacement sender lock ring, so you can pop your sender into it and it uses the same seal and sender unit locking ring that you would find on any of the tanks that we keep in stock here. We offer the tanks with a drain feature for the MGB from 65 up to 76, and from 76 on, additionally for the midget, early up to 72, and 72 to end production, and the MGA. So check it out, visit our website, mgocspares.co.uk.